Hello everyone, it's Hiren here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make anywhere from $500 all the way up to $5,000 plus, utilizing a strategy where majority of the work is already done for you. I'm going to show you proof of people doing this and making money every single day. This is absolutely beginner friendly and anybody can do this. If you want to make money online and want to build a passive income stream, make sure you watch this entire video till the end because I'll show you everything that you need and I'll also give you all the tools so you can get started. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe because I upload videos daily on how to make money online and you don't want to miss out on that. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button in appreciation. Go down the bottom and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online with this strategy and I need you to watch this all the way to the end. I want you to check this out. This channel over here is called Daily Dose of Internet. It's a YouTube channel where somebody creates YouTube videos using other people's videos without creating any content of their own. And they make some serious money online. When I say they don't create any of this content, they use videos from places like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and they put all these compilation videos together and they make money online through YouTube ad revenue. And they make some serious money and you're allowed to do this and you can definitely get your channel monetized. I'm going to show you example of this and I'll show you exactly how you're going to be doing it and why you're not going to get any copyright strikes. When you come down here, have a look at how simple these different thumbnails are. This is not that difficult to create. They're just simply photos of the content that he's about to show and all he does is put in description over here what the video is about. Like I said, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's check out this channel over here. Let's check out these different type of videos. If we can come over here, let me show you the first thing that I love about this channel. Firstly, they're making simple videos every couple of days, sometimes 3 days, sometimes 4 days, and have a look at how long these videos are. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. And now, how much do you think this person makes with this type of channel? Every single day, it's an astronomical amount of money and I'm going to show you that in a second. But firstly, what I want to show you is what these videos will look like and I'll show you where they're getting their content from. So let's click on this video that's got 2.7 million views in the last 9 hours. Okay, so we click onto this. Once you click onto the video, you're going to hear that he's quite simply has a very simple intro and basically says, hello everyone, welcome to this daily dose of internet. And then he talks over the top of some of these videos. Some of the videos he talks over them. Some of the videos he doesn't even do that. But I'm going to show you a software that you can use to do this without even using your own voice. So let's play a couple of seconds of this video. So you can see here, he's quite simply got these videos from other sources. He's putting them together. Now what I want to show you is this clearly popped, which means that this channel is monetized and this person is making money through ad revenue. So I'm just going to remove this over here. I want to scroll down here and I want to show you something. I'm going to click on show more over here. And when you come down here, I want you to check this out. When you come over here, you can see all these different videos and it's going to tell you where he's found these different videos from. So some are from YouTube, some are from Instagram, some are from TikTok. He's downloaded these videos and used them on his channel. Now, how does he get away with all this? I'm going to show you that in a second. If you come down here, he shows which songs he's using and it's royalty free stuff, Creative Commons stuff as well. And his channel is monetized and he's making serious money online. As you can see, he's getting some content from Twitter, Instagram, etc. This is how he's able to use and create these different type of videos. And if we come over to his channel over here, let me just show you something. If we come over to his channel and go over to the about page, I want you to have a look over here. He's even got a Q&A inside his description to show exactly how he does this. Why do you steal people's video? People must be asking him this question. People submit videos to me and I asked people for permission to use their videos. So he asked everyone for his permission to use these videos and they give him these videos. A lot of people create different type of content on TikTok and they don't mind being shared on other social platforms if it gets them some exposure and if he pays credit to them. So what he does in his videos, as you guys saw, he quite simply refers those videos and they allow him to use these videos. How much money does this person make? Well, let's come over to Social Blade. I want to show you exactly how much money they're making and I'll break it down to show you how you can make money on YouTube utilizing this strategy. So when you come over to here, have a look at this, guys. This is saying that he is making anything from $32,000 every single month all the way up to $500,000. Now I'm going to break this down to show you what I think he's earning, because I'm going to do it at a more realistic figure so that we can see exactly how much money he's making online creating these simple YouTube videos where he doesn't even own his content. He just puts a few compilation videos together, does a bit of voiceover over the top, and he gets paid some serious money. Now you can come over here, and if you have a look at here, he gets about 3,285,000 views every single day. So if I bring up my calculator over here, let's just bring this over here. Now we saw that he was getting 3,285,000 views. Okay guys, if we divide this by 1,000, because you get paid per 1,000 views, that's going to give us $3,285. Now even if you're getting paid $1 CPM, that's $3,285 every single day. Guys, he's creating 3 minutes videos. That's absolutely insane. Now let's say that he's getting 50 cents CPM. All you would have to do is divide this by half to get exactly what he's making. I can guarantee you that he's probably getting more than 50 cents. Let's divide this by 2 and you get $1,642 every single day for creating these simple videos that he just puts them together and doesn't even make any of the videos himself. He just goes and does this voiceover. This is an astronomical amount of money to make from very little work. We are talking about 3-minute videos, guys. He could be using any type of software. You can come over here and you can use OpenShot, which is a video creating software where you can put all these videos together. You can even use OBS Studio. They both are free. This is why I'm going to show you this. And then you can come over here, create very simple. Let me just go to videos over here. Create very simple thumbnails. Okay guys, he doesn't even have any overlays on top of these thumbnails. He just has very simple photos of whatever he's about to post on these videos, and he gets millions and millions of views and makes a lot of money. So that's it for today's video on how to make money online utilizing this simple YouTube video strategy where you don't even need to create your own content. If you have any questions, please write them below in the comment section. I'll be happy to get back to everyone. Thank you so much guys. Stay safe and goodbye.